She always wanted a published book, but as I said, she was a perfectionist. She was always crossing out and revising. I don't think she threw out a shred of paper because she must have had a premonition she was going to pass away. She took me into her room and she said, "You see the books and all the peklach and everything, the suitcases?" She says, "That's all my writings." She says, "Gather them together. When I die, keep them together." When I got home and I looked at all of this, and for one poem, I would have something like this, crossings out, rippings out, revisions. And when I did the book, I didn't know what I put in everything. My translator would send me back something and say to me, "This is not for publication. This is not for publication." But when I finally did it, I said, everything's for publication. It's her thoughts, it's for publication, and it's only for family and friends.